और अब बम्बई को खूबसूरत बनाने की मुहिम के रूह रवां जनाब नाना चूडासामा साहब से गुजारिश करूंगी कि वो आएं और अपनी प्यारी, हिलेरियस और दिलकश तकरीर करें.
Charming Tabassum, Ram Jawarani, all the dignitaries on dais. When I was coming here, my daughter asked me, why are you wearing a black suit? So I said, because the host always wears a white suit. So I said it becomes a good black and white combination. But it's not that black and it's not that white. I have known Ram Jawarani for a very long time. And ever since he has started this Sahyog Foundation, people of Bombay have benefited. Especially the haves have given something to the have-nots. And also he has recognized art, which is the right thing to do. I am glad that Sahyog Foundation has got my very good friend Devanand and all the other artists here, plus all the journalists. It is these journalists who matter. In fact, when Mr. Deora said that it is better to keep quiet for a short while, I want to tell him that politicians should keep quiet always, then they will 100% get elected. So, I have no hesitation that this short time setback will be rectified very shortly, because there are others who speak a lot. And whenever a politician speaks a lot, he always makes a mistake. As for the journalists who are here on the dais, I am very proud to say that Bombay journalists are fair, they are very encouraging. An organization like Sahyog, I Love Bombay and various other good organizations, they support, and that is what keeps this city going. As far as Sahyog's audience is concerned, it's a very patient audience. But I know one thing, they prefer to listen to music and songs than people speaking. So I will only say one thing, long live Sahyog, let them keep on doing this good work. People, dedicated people like Ram Jawarani and all, let their tribe increase, so that we can always say, this is a city of vitality, this is the city I love Bombay.